you. Mina bird chatters, clever and bright. She talks and she whistles from morning to night. Sparrow goes chirp so small and sweet, pecking the ground for a tasty treat. Parrot says hello in colors so bold, green, red, and yellow, a joy to behold. Robin with a chest of red sings good morning from his bed. Bluebird sings a happy tune, flying high beneath the moon. Crimson Rosella, feathers so bright, red and blue shining in sunlight. Goldfinch sparkles yellow and gold, flutters its wings so gentle and bold. Cardinal red in the tall green tree, whistles a song for you and me. Blue jay squawks aloud, Jay. He loves to play in a cheerful way.